this video, I'll be showing you how to take out the windshield the easy way. A lot of people think you have to cut it out from the inside, but you really don't. I started it so I can show you kind of what you need to do. Just cut this from the outside. You take a razor blade. Actually, I prefer you actually just take a knife like this. You put it out so you're always in control. So you want to hold it like this because you're going to be pulling it towards you. If you hold it like this, you're going to slip, cut your knuckles. So you want to hold it like this and just cut towards you. Now, always be in control. Don't let go of the knife. You know, don't over pull. You want to make sure your blade is bent like that as you're pulling it, so you're not cutting your windshield or doing any damage to your windshield. So I'll kind of show you some things I'm concerned about. I've seen this in a lot of cars. People not putting windshields in the right way, and they kind of slide down and they leave this huge gap. So when it rains or you wash the car, all the water collects here and it doesn't leave. So that's what I'm worried about right there. This is all just loose stuff, so whatever they used wasn't very good. I highly recommend using butyl, the expensive stuff, because you'll get what you pay for. Okay, let's get started. Now when you go to take the windshield out, you want to push from the center. Don't push too hard. If you can't get it, start it on the outside and just kind of work your way. Do not force it. You will break the windshield. I don't want anybody doing that now. So, all right, let me give this a try. Yeah. That's not even on. Remember, don't twist it. Just give it little pushes. And remember, the longer you get, the more torque you get from here. So that being said, you're putting a lot of stress on the windshield, and it'll crack right in the center. So one thing I noticed is this wasn't even glued down. You could see that right there. I can pull this right out. That should have been a little layer of butyl right here, but it pulls right out. So just be cautious when you're putting the back of the windshield. So now I'm going to go to the other side. And I'm going to do the same thing. this wants to push right out. So I'm not going to take my windshield all the way out just because I need a place to store it till I get my new seal in. But that's what you want to do. You want to separate the windshield from the gasket. They glued this one in. Not what I would have done, but it is what it is. I'll finish getting the rest of it off. But that gives you an idea of what you need to do in order to get your windshield out. It's not a hard job. It's very simple.